life I've been searching, but I've never found someone who's mine. Each time I gave my heart completely, I was left with emptiness inside. Everyone who crossed my path came and left, never to last, leaving me alone in this world, waiting for someone who will truly stay. Will there be someone for me who was made to walk this life with me? Someone to love me endlessly, who will be my destiny. Oh, where are you, the one for me, to fill my heart with love so endlessly, now and forever? I thought love was the answer to keep my heart from crying through the night, but life taught me a painful lesson. True love doesn't come without a fight. Each time I look up at the sky, I whisper a prayer to meet that one, the one who'll hold my hand so tight and never leave until the day is done. Oh, please don't let me walk alone. I'm asking for more than just a dream. I need the one written in the stars to love me with a heart that's true. Someone to make this world feel new. Will there be someone for me who was made to walk this life with me? Someone to love me endlessly, who will be my destiny. Oh, where are you, the one for me, to fill my heart with love so endlessly, now and forever? I'm still waiting wherever you are. Someone who loved me near or far, the one to be my final destiny, and our love will remain